Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this is the start of the Halloween collab. I am so excited. When Rebecca from Diamond Painting Journey with Rebecca contacted me and said, hey girlfriend, I want to do a collab this year, and she and I just brainstormed back and forth, contacted Diamond Art Club to see what new things were coming out, and they said this, special edition Halloween painting was coming out. We just had to jump on it, right? And so we are super excited, and we have been waiting and waiting for this to come, and watching our emails, running to the mailboxes, just trying to figure out, as we're drooling over everybody else who's doing their unboxings, when are we gonna get ours? Well guys, the time has come, dun, dun, dun. And we have received our limited edition. They only made 500 of these, and I will also put a picture of it as well for you to see, but it is called Halloween Nighttime. It's round with AB. It's a 47 by 47 centimeter, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So, if you went over to Rebecca's premiere last night, you got to see her start off the collaboration, and I get to now present my unboxing. Super excited. So I get to now join the party with everybody else. Now, number one, if Diamond Art Club is a little out of your price range, or if you were unable to grab one of these because it is limited edition, not a problem. Please grab your favorite fall-like diamond painting, grab your favorite Halloween painting, and collab along with us. Just so you know, I will be doing my lives from 9 to 10 Eastern Standard Time, so that's 8 to 9 Central, and then Rebecca is going to be doing her lives on Saturdays from I believe it's 8 to 10 Eastern or 7 to 9 Central. And we will be doing this together. Now, the fun part about this, as I open the box, is the collaboration is not only having a party and being in lives together and diamond painting, but it's exploring Instagram. And I do know technology, but I don't use Instagram a lot, and so Rebecca is helping us along the way know about Instagram. So please check out her Instagram video. I'm going to put the little eye up here for you to go check it out. But basically it's a contest too, so it's a collab and a contest. What more could you ask for, right? So my channel and her channel, we are each able to give away, thanks to Diamond Art Club's generosity, a $30 gift card for each channel. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch our live video, okay? And during the live, we will casually be saying something, and then we'll have a hashtag. And it'll be the same hashtag depending on which channel you're listening to, but a hashtag, just to remind you, is the number sign, and then words behind it, all lowercase, no spaces. So this is hashtag spooky. Now, this is not the hashtag for the week because this is the unboxing. We're not doing a hashtag until our lives, but you would go over to Instagram, and down below is Rebecca's Instagram and my Instagram. So once you go over and watch Rebecca's video, you figure out how to download it on your phone, or if you're super savvy and you already have it, when you are in our lives and you hear that hashtag, like this is an example, hashtag spooky, you will run over to Instagram, take a picture of your work in progress, and say something about it if you want, and then hashtag spooky. Now, you can double up because I do know there's another collab going on. You can do up to 30 hashtags. So feel free to use that picture for the other collab that's going on. Not a problem. You know, we don't want you to feel like you have to have 2 work in progresses going on for different collabs. So hopefully that explains it. You can practice if you want and do hashtag spooky, and we can see if it works. But this will not help you in the entry. You'll have to wait till Friday and Saturday to get this week's hashtag. If you're watching this in somewhat real time, it'll be Wednesday night before the lives, the first lives of the weekend. So update number 2 is I will be out of town this weekend. So mine will not be a live. It'll be a work in progress, like a whip and chat or a drill with me. So be looking for that as well. It'll be kind of a stand-in for the live, and I'll mention the hashtag. So I will actually have it go live, not me live, but it'll go onto YouTube at my normal live time. So you'll be free to watch it as a stand-in because I won't be live. So yeah, and then you can watch it whenever you feel like it, or you can sit and pretend I'm live and watch it. Okay, so for those of you new to Diamond Art Club, they send this upgraded kit compared to some of the other China mail that you might get. It does come with some baggies for extra drills, comes with a clear drill tray, 2 wax hearts, kind of a special touch, and a 3-placer, a blue pen with a single placer, and then a pencil grip or squishy to help keep your pen in your hand. Diamond Art Club has also added stickers, so that's amazing. So it is 1 sheet and it has the picture, and then it has your colors here. So you can cut these off and put them on your drill containers like I have right here for my Think of Me that I've been doing. Now, one thing I noticed about this is that the sticker did not come rolled up, which is a bonus. It just came, if you saw me unbox it, right in the box, which is really nice because this is how they look. Here's my Cottage by the Sea when they were rolled around the canvas. And this was my Think of Me. It's hard to work with. So this is a lot easier to flatten out and to work with. So good job, Diamond Art Club. So what I see from this is it is 16 colors, and they say AB. However, I think it's a glow in the dark. So in here, the glow in the dark is E742. We're going to take these out. You see they have quite a lot of 310s, which we'll look at in a minute, but you can tell by that picture there's going to be a lot. So let's see where the E72 is. Okay, so it's that orange right there, and that's the glow in the dark ones. So we will have to see, once we start sticking them on, how they glow in the dark. So that'll be awesome. Alright, so now let's open this canvas. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. See what we've got. See where the glow in the dark ones are. And go from there. It's interesting that there's 16 colors. That's pretty good considering how dark this canvas is. So I'm kind of off screen. I'm just opening it up. I like that they went back to the clear plastic. You can feel it's soft, it's smooth on the back. It's got their stitching to help prevent any fraying. So if it does fray, it's not the end of the world. It has a lifetime guarantee. So if you have, if you lose a diamond or your artwork is damaged, it comes with a lifetime warranty. Excuse me. So let's see here. Oh, spooky, guys. All right. It also comes, if you're new to diamond painting, with a how-to, 9 different steps on how to. That I recycle because I'm an addict. I have a lot of diamond paintings and have read. Now I'm still learning, right? Sorry, I'm off camera, just rolling this up. Now this canvas feels a little different. I don't know. It's not as, it's still really nice, but it's not as silky, velvety, so I don't know if they changed up what they used. It's a little bit stiffer, so who knows, or maybe my other canvases are just pliable because I'm using them so much, but I might have to email them about that because it feels like it's a little bit stiffer. The quality is still there though. Alright guys, so this, ooh, spooky. Alright, so you've got a spooky house, you've got some jack-o'-lanterns, this big, huge orange moon, you've got the spooky tree, the bats. This, of course, is all 310 right here. Okay, let's see here. 16 is A, so let me see where the A symbols. Okay, so all inside the jack-o'-lanterns are where the A's are, to help it kind of stick out and glow, and then all in the windows of the house are where the A's are. I don't see any A's in the big moon, so those are the parts that stick out. This looks like it would be, let's see, 15. So this is black, and then it goes brown, and then of course it gets lighter and lighter as it fades in. So I'm super excited to do this. This will be nice. It's got some color blocking, a little bit variety for, what do you call it? Oh my gosh. Just left my brain, people. Confetti. So it's got a little bit of confetti in the middle. You don't have to pull the plastic back. I'm just pulling it back to see how the sticky is as far as that's concerned. But yeah, these colors are gorgeous. They're blacks, browns, a couple like orange reds, some yellows. So this will be so much fun, guys. Cannot wait to do this image with everybody. So just so you guys remember, please go subscribe and check out Diamond Painting Journey with Rebecca. I will, you know, you already saw where I put the I in for the Instagram, but go check her out on YouTube. Also, if you like this video, subscribe down below if you're not already a subscriber. Hit the like button on your way out. And please join me Friday night as we do this collab together. You can hear so many stories about myself growing up, my daughter. I'm going to throw a couple pictures in there of some of her outfits that I've put together haphazardly, and we're just going to have a lot of fun. My part of the collab, I'm not really celebrating Halloween itself, but I am definitely enjoying this fall festive time of the year and sharing some stories about how I grew up and my family and what we did and how my husband and I are raising my daughter, and some funny stories with trick-or-treating. So definitely, please, I can't wait for you to join us and be looking out for those hashtags because we're all going to learn this Instagram together. Thank you so much, everybody. Take care. Love you all. Be blessed.